In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I do ponytails on my hair 3 different ways. But the catch to it is I'm not going to use any ponytail holders. No scrunchies, no rubber bands, no bobby pins, nothing at all, only my hair. 3 different ponytails, a low ponytail, a mid ponytail, and a high ponytail, all done with just my hair. You don't believe it? Let's get started. The first step for all 3 of these styles is establishing anchor pieces in the back of your head. Take 2 pieces from the lower back part of your head. These are going to serve as your ponytail holders for all 3 of the styles. For the first style, we're just going to take those 2 anchor pieces and crisscross them underneath our hair to establish a ponytail type in the front of our head. Stay with me, it's gonna work. Crisscross and push it back just a little bit to where you want the base of the high ponytail to fall. Then take the hair back around and tie it around the back part of the rest of your head. Hopefully it makes sense as you're watching this video, but just tie it into a knot, tuck everything away. Once you get everything tucked away, flip your hair over and style number 1, just like that, is done. The only thing left you have to do is to tuck those little end pieces that came from where we crisscrossed it in the front underneath the ponytail, and you are done. Add an accessory piece and style number 1 is done. Next, we have style number 2, just like style number 1, 2 anchor pieces, but this time we're not going to tie them. Just hold the 2 anchor pieces in your hand because we need to smooth the ponytail. For a mid ponytail, we want to make sure all of the base of our ponytail is smooth, just like we would on a regular ponytail. We're going to smooth everything out and make sure our ponytail is nice and smooth, just like this, on both sides while we're holding our 2 anchor pieces. Then we're going to take those 2 and tie those to anchor the ponytail where we want the mid ponytail to hang. And then we're going to take those 2 loose ends and wrap them back underneath the ponytail and tie those in a knot. And again, tuck those. Just that simple. Tuck them in. Make sure all of your little loose ends are tied and tucked away, not showing from the outside of your ponytail. This part you don't have to bother with too much, but just make sure you keep it neat in the back so it doesn't mess up the overall look. When you're done, it'll look just like this. Then you flip it back over, and again, style number 2 is done. Do all of your little finishing touches, make sure all of your hair is in place, add your accessories, and you are good to go for style number 2. Now for this one, we're going to take our 2 anchor pieces and hold them out and smooth our hair down. Be sure not to miss this part. Just as we did in the last one, we want to make sure we smooth it down a little bit lower this time because this is going to be a low ponytail and we don't want any bumps or lumps. Smooth it out as best as you can. For me, it looked a little bit like this on both sides, smoothed out the way I wanted it. Then tie the hair and tighten it down and low as possible so it's going to create a lower look. Tie it as low as you can, then wrap the ends back around itself. And for me, because of the length of my hair, I had to do it twice. Wrap it around again, so I kind of roped it around to create like a rope type effect. Tied that part again, then wrapped it back underneath and tucked all of the ends away. That's it. That's all I did. This ponytail is in place. It's not moving. They stay in all day long. Do all of your finishing touches to it to make sure everything is looking the way you want it to look. Add your accessories if you would like. These are optional. You don't have to do that, of course, but I love a good accessory. Add your headband. Make sure your hair is in place, and this style is done. If you're out or at home or find yourself in a bind for a ponytail holder, no problem. You can get it done. Which one of these styles do you like the best? Let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.